Mag tuke lap manyayo biro bago piem mag jotugo mabiro manyo otiko mar yuoro e tuke mag Olimpik e boma ma Paris piny France ka riwruok mar Athletics Kenya biro chiwo thuolo ne jogo mapok oyudo otiko e ng'we mag mita 100, 200, 400 e kind ng'we mamoko. Jo Kenya mathoth mopogore kod Ferdinand Omanyala biro manyo thuolo mar yudo otiko yuoro e tuke mag Olympics. Kenya biro manyo jong'wech manyalo kelo midila kuom thuolo mokwongo e ng'we mag aputh njiri ka jang'wech kaka Otieno bende biro bedo achiel kuom jong'wech mabiro yuoro e yiero mag jotugo biro bagi kochakore chieng' tich abich e alap manyayo.
Say that you cannot avoid injuries, because even we've seen great athletes in this world getting injuries, but it's something that we try to avoid through so many things that we normally do. Maybe you look at their training, try to balance their training. We also have the physiotherapists to take care of them, and we also encompass rest. Rest is very important.
The last time I was in the Olympic trials was in Kasarani, and I have very good memories of that. So I'm hoping that we can create more memories again this weekend. But for me, I'll say no pressure, because the plan still remains the plan. We don't want to hit it too hard too early, because we still have like a month and a half to go to the Olympics. So this time we're trying to balance our stuff and just making sure that we plan well for the Olympics. But of course, the trials is going to be block setter for us, because we're excited, and I just want to urge people to come out and enjoy the showcasing of athletics that will be